Cricket is like a religion in India. And I remember while all of my friends wanted to become a good batsman, a good bowler, some of them even a good fieldsman, I wanted to be a very good sports presenter. Although I did not tell that to anyone because I felt it was very silly at that point in time. But today, Saurav and Preksha made me realize why was it like that? It's always about having a lot of fun in whatever you are doing. And back then, more than playing the actual game, I have had a lot of fun kind of watching, analyzing, and doing commentary over the game of cricket. And as I was building this intuitive data story as part of my Alpha AI fellowship program, I went back to relive those moments of childhood. And the love for the game of cricket got rejuvenated. So today I decided that I will take all of you back in time. Back in 2008, the inception of Indian Premier League, one of the most celebrated events in the history of world cricket. And if you remember that electrifying ginormous innings by Brendan McCullum, then goodness me, you have seen some cricket. Now, while in the year of 2008, IPL was majorly dominated by one of the greatest cricketers across the world, a bunch of young Indian talented players were marking their journey in the form of international cricket. They were getting the international exposure for the first time. And later on, some of those players turned out to be one of the most valuable assets the history of world cricket has ever produced. So today I am going to talk about such three players of Indian cricket: Virat Kohli, Suresh Raina, and Rohit Sharma. Three great players who needs no introduction at all. So let's see what has been their journey.